The Hynñiewtrep Indigenous Women's Society offers placement assistance to courses in healthcare that include nursing, MBBS, and BSc in Allied Health Sciences, Technology, and many others. For details, contact 97749 90534 and 98561 72263. The Hynñiewtrep Integrated Territorial Organization Hito central body today suggested that the state government should cancel all types of festivals which will be organized by them which are non-profit in nature. In this connection, the organization has also submitted a memorandum to Chief Minister Conrad Sangma and issued a 100-day deadline to release pending salary of SSE school teachers of the state who are facing deep financial and socio-economic problems. The president of Hito, Dakar, told reporters here on Friday that the government, instead of hosting a number of upcoming winter and spring festivals in the state, should in turn focus on the pending salary of school teachers of the state who are experiencing great financial and social economic problems at their personal level due to the delay in disbursement of salary by the government. He also requested the government to take serious note and concern into the matters of teachers and not to forget that politicians have earned their education because of the teachers who have dedicated themselves to rendering their service to groom the students through quality education. He added that the organization looks forward to an amicable solution to the vexed problem, at the same time disallowing any sort of political propaganda to take place for the interest of the state. Dakar also recalled the fact that even while the pandemic still exists, festival attendees do not maintain SOPs up to the level of expectations as usually seen in the past. Therefore, he urged upon the government to stop all such unnecessary seasonal festivals, but only allow those that bring maximum economic benefits to the state.
Festival kini kita kapisa kami, tabalai pat kim pendengkam sabadai ke. Bahawa mana ko porhi Hynñiewtrep balada kasorkar kabai pisa kadai berpengkentiau ke tourism bini kita. Ndai bini percaya ke tourism. Newstonat beri gopon kibi okam jam hendring adalah apa kini ki festival ki Banwan menta. Hakani ke klam ke belum pandemik. Karena ngot kita tourism Banwan. Kamu promosi era yang mementau senami.
Tidak menjujur ting itu festival.
Any kind of festival kababai tengkahi deko government.
Belum aktif ini belum.
Kami ke pemerintah senam tak menentu ke cherry blossom kan sedang berterter di festival pemerintah. Takum kita kita syuting kai ki live kini ki gitu ki baca pun serba kai bisa kan. Karena kalian sini ni dawa baik ba depan penbiang saya ke jingdong kamu empat ba kenang makin mengiling lah di student balik ni neglect dah. Waktu kini ki bahasa syar ni ki besong ki badon ro hapok ka MDA led by NPP government. Makiru tharai la daki yaki la depan syahikai dagi no hikai tak balai pat kilak baglami rugi kentian bong balai ke Hito ke ki no hikai ngom ayam ngidi ki student ki bla syahikai te kum no ngin kilak haba hadu menta menne minang men keren minang men thot mentar delin ba no hikai te maki kidai ki try ni te ni pat kum kita gi khon ki bangila nang la start ni wan chkan ki senja khanang benya keren baka sarkar bakan lei lor jungki bat u Conrad u men kane kade dep la keren u ba kane kade ke senta subject andre ngi la wat penia baling ngila don ko social information bangi yo no po central government ba nakastate hi kim phat approach ye kadang long ko basa umdum